let's pull the coolers off, man. For sure.
For voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
Ole si tulanga tutusili ole tau. Ole la fo me ole pe patala olo. Ona fa ngale fa tau e olo e nga mo ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ele sa no fo tau e lisia sa.
Ni fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana fa tau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Dai mo le talo fa voucher. O mo le apusu se o fine. So se paro loa fa ngo fie. A me se le te ferwa i mala telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo la fo merkes ona ino de tama ore ainga.
Fa te tu la vale talo for voucher mo le foi au nang fo fa tai. Ma lo la le tsampai.
Fa tai talo fa voucher. Teki talo fa voucher.
O mele kirisimasi ma whaelonga tupeta i lua se lautala e wha se fulu o Sauni e le Pacific Easy mo ana paanga. E lua se fulu whaelonga mo Samoa, lua se fulu foi whaelonga tupeta i lua se lautala mo New Zealand nei. Wha mole mole wha au ngale tali whafonga au mai lau pasi e ilo ai ua mai au na whai utui. Mai fautui na foi le wha au ngale F-Pass e tutongi e tupe wha amomoli pe a wha au ngai na o tātou ofisai o Tara o Tahuru ma mangele. Wha aftek tele Samoa le langlango i le nei tausanga ma ia manu i tele le kirisimasi ma le tausanga fau i ainga umo Samoa. Modisi whaamtalanga wala au le ovalu se lau o tasi ono. Po le lua fitu ono, fitu wiva, fitu wha. Pacific Easy o lau paanga mo tupe whaamomoli i Samoa.
O le Oceania Career Academy, o sea o ngai mangele ua whaatui nei le pūlenga le fono mo tangata Pasifika ma Maori. O sea o ngai mauai le tomai whakamuta, whaapea isi anga wa eseste. E talia so se tangata mai le se furu ono i le wha se furu tausanga. Ma ea o nga fua li ima tamai tai wono fo mau pesi te seni New Zealand. Whaafso tai nei loa le OCA i le overu se lau, ono lua valu fitasi. Pe asia si le website www.oca.nz.
Falava everyone, malole soe for mo malangi mama, and a warm Pacific greetings to you all, our wonderful, our beautiful, amazing viewers who have tuned in this very special day today.
I wonder what it could be.
I wonder what it could be. I wonder why of all Mondays, from all of the Mondays, 364 Mondays.
I think there's only 52 Mondays.
52 Mondays? Yes, there's 200 and something days, sorry. This Monday is very special, but a massive shout out to everyone who's tuned in.
Thank you.
A massive, I'm going to do this massive thank yous first. A massive whawhetau lava to Pacific 40, Pacific Easy Money Transfer, Moto Samoa. Who do we have? We've got the Generator, we've got Floris, and we've got Oceania Academy. Massive thank you. But
honestly, how blessed are we to have so many sponsors? And hi everyone, I hope that you all had a beautiful weekend, even though it was a little bit rainy.
It was
really hot.
rainy. It was muggy.
It was rainy.
How was your weekend?
I had a very nice weekend. It was really hot on Saturday. I thought I was going through menopause because I was getting really hot flashes, but it was really hot. But no, I'm not going through menopause.
Today, what is so special about today? This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Yes, today is a very special day for my beautiful, wonderful host, Claudia. She has, we've been blessed with life. Today was a day that the Lord blessed us with a beautiful
You're so
Claudia.
sweet.
So, Claudia,
Thank you so much.
happy birthday.
Yay.
It is your birthday. And I think I didn't post anything online today. Didn't say happy birthday. And I think I only said happy birthday to her at about 1:15. She thought I forgot. No, I didn't.
I did
did not
you forgot.
forget her
I forgot.
birthday.
Did forget.
So I did get her something.
You know, you can't do this. Actually.
Yes, I did. So, Claudia, I'm going to do a little speech because we have spoken before in the
because
past.
I'm going to cry.
No. So, every single person in your life, I've always said, make sure that you tell them how much you love them. Make sure you thank them for everything that they do in your life, because there's no point. There's no point saying a 30-minute eulogy when they're gone, because they're not going to hear it. There's no point visiting the graveyard because they're not going to see it. In that moment, make sure that you share every single part, even if they upset you or disagree on something. Share with them that you love them. Show them how much you love them, because tomorrow is never promised. So, because we are celebrating life, the beautiful Claudia, today I got her a little present.
Oh, thank you so much.
This is for her. It's to celebrate life, but also to say thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh. But also to say
so
thank
awkward hugging
you.
with hands. Like,
But also to say whawhetai lava to the beautiful, wonderful Claudia for everything that she does.
can I open it?
Yes, open it. Let's see your reaction if you do love it. But if you love it online or not. But while she opens it, I just wanted to share that I've only just met Claudia this year, but the impact that she has made on my life is a very special one. Not only does she bring so much joy
I love
and
this.
daily.
Do you know what? I really, really love this, but do you know why I love this even more? Because I don't have a similar one.
Yeah.
So now we can be matching. I don't know if anyone can, can we see
So
that?
yes.
Oh, thank you so much. I really, really love this.
But yes, so yeah, it's very important. Today we are going to be talking a little bit about life. So we're going to be talking a little bit about our weekend, what we got up to in the weekend, and also why it's so important to celebrate birthdays. I know sometimes people are a little bit on edge about celebrating birthday, but I think it's so important.
I'm one of those people.
Yeah, it's so important. Yeah. It's so important to share a smile when you can. But before I do that, I'm gonna say a massive shout out to Mina, who's just joined in, to the beautiful Flora, and we've got Raymond. Raymond's just commented, "Aule leking el Blue TV." Thank you so much, Raymond. Lorenzo's also sent her birthday.
Oh yes. Oh,
wish
thank you,
as
everyone.
well.
Oh, thank you, Mina, so much.
But
thank
yes.
you, Flora. Oh, I love you guys. Oh, thank you, Renzo. Renzo said, "Happy birthday, Mama Claudia." I don't think I'm a mama yet.
No, but you know what? Over the weekend, we had an amazing time spent with our community. So Lorenzo, myself, and Asiata, lea fo inga mako hoi lango ma support ia le vaccination drive here in Manurewa. So we supported Deacon and of course the beautiful Anne Singh, who had the event over the weekend. So here we've got a few photos. We've just Asiata and Lorenzo that went through, and Asiata and Pea, poor Pea, she's always giving these guys, but we went through to support the vaccination. So whawhetai lava Deacon, and also to Anne Singh. Thank you so much for hosting. You know, you guys are warm, welcoming, and you also hosted breakfast in the morning as well. But yes, it's Monday. And
I really, really like my gift. I just don't know how to open it.
Oh,
I'm like,
so it's just on the side. So, oh, yeah.
I really love my gift.
So yeah. And also we did get a little bit of a gift from a good friend of ours as well. For lunch, so I'm going to shout.
Thank you, friend.
Yeah. So thank you. You know who you are. I know that you wanted to remain anonymous. So thank you so much for your mea lofa. We are going to celebrate Claudia's birthday today, and I'm just trying to open it.
Thank you, Flora. Te quiero mucho, Flora, and thank you so much, Fasta. Flora said, I see that smile lighting up, and it really is, honestly. Like, I always get a little bit edgy on birthdays because I'm like, oh, it's another year of like. By the way, I've turned 21.
Sorry, I'm gonna try and figure out how to open it.
I love it so much. So I've just turned 21 today, guys.
But yes, I think every year we don't always make it. I think this year was quite important that we celebrate. This week is actually a very special week, and I do want to say a massive happy birthday to Mama Sophia as well. Mama Sophia is 72 this today.
Oh, wow.
So if you are celebrating a birthday, then send your birthday wishes through. And also Jeremy, I know Jeremy, Balangi boy.
Yes, happy birthday.
Happy birthday as well. And if you are celebrating a birthday today, happy birthday.
I feel like all the cool people are born in December, apart from you.
Everyone. But you know what, Claudia? Tell us a little bit about this year and life. This year, life itself. How has it been?
Do you know what, like for the first time, because usually I'm very like, oh no, it's my birthday, and like I hide away from my birthday because I don't know why, but I'm one of the strange people that don't like celebrating my birthday. But like this year has just been honestly so amazing. There's been so many blessings, and I'm like, man, like I just feel so grateful that I have all these people. I have you in my life, and like I've only met Bear like earlier this year, but I feel like I've known her for like years. Yeah. And she's definitely been a very, very solid foundation and rock for me, and I love her to bits. But honestly, like, I'm excited. Yeah. Like, I'm excited to be turning 29, not 21, but I'm turning 29, and I'm just eager to make this final year. In my 20s, I really got on, and I'm going to cry. This is so bad.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Claudia. Happy birthday to you. Manuela Sopana. Manuela Sopana. Manuela Sopana.
Oh, this is so cute.
Manuela Sua. Hooray! Hooray!
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm just gonna quickly get off camera for a second because I've got the whole entire Bluwave team here that I want to hug. Thank you so much. But the mannequin. Wait.
There we have it, a live birthday gift to Claudia, and we're gonna bring her balloons here. So yes, it is a very special day. We've got the Bluwave team here who have just surprised Claudia with a little birthday cake and some balloons to celebrate life. So we were talking how important family is and how life is. So Claudia, speech, live speech.
So do you know what? Like, oh no, I'm gonna cry. I can't. And I know Daisy can relate to this. Like, I have been really, really blessed because I can't do this. I can't.
We can play it there after.
I can't. But like being a part of like the Bluwave team and like Blue TV has been an absolute blessing.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna make me cry.
I can't. And you know, Martin and Rosie and Hannah have just been absolutely amazing. It's just an amazing feeling when like your work colleagues become part of your family. And I think I can't. It's really bad. Where's Daisy? But honestly, like I cannot thank each and every one of yous enough, especially Martin. I'm not. Everyone in this team is either Samoan or Tongan or Pacific Islander, right? And I'm South American, but not once have I ever felt like an outsider. I feel more Islander than ever, and I love it so much. But I'm honestly so grateful. Just they say that you're really, really rich in life when you have people that just love you and support you. And honestly, today I feel like one of the most richest people ever. And if I were to die today, if I were to die in this moment, I would be so happy. But honestly, just thank you to everyone. Thank you to you, Hannah and Lemo, Manuia, Martin, Ryan, and Pale and Daisy and Bea. Honestly, to you, I couldn't imagine my life with any of you guys in it. And this is really awkward because I know this is live and it's going to be on the internet forever and I'm crying. But honestly, thank you so much, everyone.
We'll meet you guys to share, but we have a feed after. We got some sushi outside.
Thank you so much.
How awesome is this that we can celebrate live, get a live reaction. Thank you so much, Bluwave team.
And I know Pale made me a corned beef Samoan birthday cake, so thank you for that. We'll post photos later, but honestly, thank you.
But yes, it is all today. We are going to be talking.
Did you know
life.
about this?
Did I look surprised?
No.
Of course. Let's talk a little bit about life.
Oh.
Shall we go into a quick break?
Yes.
Well, the beautiful.
I didn't check my makeup.
Regathers her thoughts and herself, but guys, don't go anywhere. It is a very, very special week. Nana Millie has just tuned in as well, so Nana Millie, thank you so much. You know how much we love and adore you.
Thank you, Nana.
We're going to go into a quick break.
Yeah.
But when we come back, share with us your special moments. What has been some great birthday moments? What has been the not so great? But share with us why it's so important to celebrate these small milestones that we don't always remember because tomorrow is not promised. So come through, send all of the dedications through. Don't go anywhere. We're going to go to a quick break. We're going to check her makeup. Stay tuned, guys.
For the next generation of growers and farmers in the Pacific, may you find your own rhythm on the land. May you grow and teach others how to grow with love. May your skills and intuition continue to nourish, nurture, and advise those who need it.
Voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūranga pitusili o le tāua. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le whaatau i o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa sunga fua tau e le sia sa.
Le kia po i sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le tala fo voucher. Le wana whaakau ma me te mga o ai. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le tala fo voucher ua maua le apususi o se ua fine. So se paroloa whaingo fie, a me se re te wherua I malau telefoni, taimi uma. Ai lo le lafo Amerikas, o na inu e tamao re ainga.
Whaptea tu lava le tala whakata mo le fwoi au nang fau whaptai. Ngā lua lava le tampai.
Whaptai tala whawata. Teki tala whawata.
O Mercury masi ma whaelonga tupeta I lua se lau tala e whase fulu o Sauni e le Pacific Easy mo ana paanga. E lua se fulu whaelonga mo Samoa, lua se fulu fo I whaelonga tupeta I lua se lau tala mo New Zealand nei. Whamole mole wha ngā le tali whafonga au mai lau pasi e ilo ai wa mai au na whai tui. Mai whautui na fo I le wha ngā le F-Pass e tutongi ei tupe wha momoli pe a wha ngā ina o tātou ofisai o Tara o Tahuru ma mangele. Whaaftek tele Samoa le langlango I le nei tausanga ma ia maru I tele le kirisimasi ma le tausanga fau I ainga umo Samoa. Modisi whaamtalanga wala au le ovalu se lau o tasi ono. Po le lua fitu ono, fitu wiva, fitu wha. Pacific Easy o lau paanga mo tupe wha momoli I Samoa.
O le Oceania Career Academy, o sea o ngai mangele ua whaatui nei le pūlenga le whono mo tangata Pasifika ma Maori. O sea o ngai mauaile to mai whakamuta, whaapea isi anga wa eseste. E talia so se tangata mai le se furu ono I le wha se furu tausanga, mai ha o nga fua li ima tamai tai wano fo mau pese te seni New Zealand. Whaafso tai nei loa le OCA I le overu se lau, ono lua valu fitasi. Pea siasi le website www.oca.nz. O le Oceania Career Academy, o sea o ngai mangele ua whaatui nei le pūlenga le whono mo tangata Pasifika ma Maori. O sea o ngai mauaile to mai whakamuta, whaapea isi anga wa eseste. E talia so se tangata mai le se furu ono I le wha se furu tausanga, mai ha o nga fua li ima tamai tai wano fo mau pese te seni New Zealand. Whaafso tai nei loa le OCA I le overu se lau, ono lua valu fitasi. Pea siasi le website www.oca.nz.
It's what a rock, but this is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. And I'm going to say it again and I'm going to say it again because it is a special day, but like every day, it's special. My mum just tuned in and she said, "Oh wow, happy birthday." Thank you, Mum.
Oh, thank you, Mum. And thank you, Nana. Nana just said happy birthday, so thank you so much. Honestly, I didn't even check my makeup just because I'm so overwhelmed with the amount of love and the blessings that I have in my life through all these people and my team, and I'm just speechless.
And you know what, we were talking over the weekend how important it is to reconnect. And we're going to say it again, Tui, it was actually Daisy's birthday we celebrated recently. Lenga whameia Tui. It's important to reconnect. If you say you're going to go for that coffee, go for that coffee. If you're gonna make time for your loved ones. And you know, it's true what they say. They always say you're busy. But you can always make time for someone that you love. So someone that you truly love.
No one's ever too busy.
No one's ever too busy. I tell you, you have so much time when you make time.
Yes.
And I do want to make a massive shout out to everyone over the weekend who showed us so much love and support. St. Anne's Parish, whawhetai lover. But let's talk about life. Let's talk about birthdays. Let's talk about celebrations. Yeah. And while we are nearing to the birth of Jesus Christ, the reason for the season, Christmas.
Definitely. Yeah.
Today we celebrate Claudia, and we're going to talk a little bit about life. Claudia.
Did you know that song, 12 Days of Christmas?
Yes.
You know today is the 12 days before Christmas? 12 days before Christmas. But honestly, guys, it is, honestly, you come from someone that doesn't like celebrating my own birthday. You have to celebrate your birthday. Yeah. Because what a blessing to even have an extra year of life. What a blessing to have all these memories, have made all these memories, good or bad, crappy, really, really crappy. But, you know, you're alive, you're breathing, you're kicking in. Yeah, honestly, I'm just speechless.
She's speechless.
I really am speechless. Like, I woke up this morning and I did not think this was going to happen.
No. Well, you know, normally I would send a message through to Claudia. This morning I didn't. I thought, you know, just make her feel a little bit sad that I forgot. But I didn't. I didn't.
She did not forget.
She walked in and I said, I forgot, but I didn't. Something special. The one thing I used to always think about my birthday was my auntie. So my auntie Leasi Vao, Ami Tuanai, she's now passed on. But every year, I swear, I would celebrate my birthday with her going into Greenland Hospital. And I used to be so annoyed. She was sick. She had a heart condition. So I was quite, annoyed. At first I was annoyed, but now that she's gone, every year I celebrate my birthday, I remember my dear auntie and the way that she loved everybody, the way that she heard the Samoan culture, the way that she would make somebody laugh, the way she was honest. So when I now look back at it, I'm like, you know what? I'm glad that every time something happened, she even passed away. My 21st passed away near my birthday. And even though I wanted it to be a sad moment, it was a celebration of life. So we talk about the celebration of life and what is important. Have you, our viewers, had the best birthdays? And what is the best birthday? Is it just getting a nice text of acknowledgement that it's a special day? Or is it a birthday cake and singing happy birthday? Or is it balloons?
I honestly think it's just, you only get one day out of the year that I guess is kind of like dedicated to you, right? And it's just on that day, it's a beautiful, beautiful reminder because you have all these people that love you just send through a message and they're like, and like people that you think that have completely forgotten about you, they're like, like they still remember me.
Yeah.
And for me, I think what makes a birthday really special is people.
Yeah.
People calling you, people messaging you, people doing beautiful things like this for you. I wouldn't trade this for like the most expensive gift in the world because people are definitely the most important thing about a birthday and what make a birthday special. But what I think is really funny about listening to that story about you and your auntie is that usually it's a thing that we find like the most annoying thing that we miss the most afterwards. Like even with my mom, like when I was like living in the States, I was like, I kind of miss my mom like coming to my bedroom door at 8 o'clock in the morning, like waking me up on a Sunday afternoon.
Yeah.
Like, it's those things that you in the moment found really annoying that you just end up missing a lot.
Yeah.
It's like,
But it is. It's time. It's the time that you make for others. Today we, the team rushed around just to do little things. And it's the little things.
That's what makes it really, really special because it's not just a cake, right? It's the person that actually had to get in the car, make time to drive out to get the cake, choose the cake, buy the cake, then come back. It's the time that they went out to go to the shop to buy balloons and helium balloons, So then they have to stand there and like wait for the balloons to get pumped. It's that time that that person has invested in you because they think that you deserve it and they think you're special. I want to cry again.
But it is the small things. And if you are thinking of the big things,
and you're missing out on life. You're missing out on the true meaning of life.
Scale it down a little bit. I know that times are rough. And if you want to celebrate something, just think of what is important to that person. And we know that Claudia is a very simple person, but it was time. The time.
And the thought. And yes, thank you so much, Miss Samoa. Faluta just said happy birthday. Claudia said thank you so much. Vasa said it is so important to celebrate the small wins with those around you at the time because you never know that tomorrow someone will not be there or it won't be the same. That's very true. And Rachel said 5th of November is my birthday, so it's a day for fireworks. So I never get to celebrate my birthday except my 40th and 45th now, waiting for another 5 years. Well, I would like to say, Rachel, that maybe the whole entire country is celebrating your birthday with fireworks, right? All in your name. But thank you so much. She said, happy birthday, Selena. God bless. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ciela, for honestly, I just feel so blessed right now. Vasa said when she stayed in Dunedin, it was a must for us to make sure that at 12 a.m. we had a cake and celebrated our friend's birthday. That's beautiful.
Well, what other, Rachel's just shared her awesome birthday stories. 5th of November, which is Guy Fawkes. Well, Rachel, the whole world is celebrating your birthday. So Rachel, every year now that I'm gonna remember that every year when it's Guy Fawkes, I'm gonna change it to Star Wars Fawkes. Star Wars Forks.
Star Wars Forks.
Happy birthday for November, Rachel. Sorry. Actually, no, I think I remember posting it on Rachel's birthday.
I think you did.
Yes, I did.
You did.
We cannot forget our number one supporter. But also, Vassa's shared a good point that they do cake at 12 o'clock to celebrate somebody's life. And here's another memory that I'm going to share. We used to do this thing. Our cousins, we did the same thing at 12 o'clock, that we would wake up and drag ourselves out of bed. But we used to do this thing called the roundabout dance. So what?
Interesting. Are you going to show us?
I know. I can't show you this so at night, 12 o'clock at night, that's when there's no traffic. We would sing happy birthday, take the cake, but we would run around a random, whatever roundabout was at that,
So cool.
and run around it. I don't know. It was just something exciting for that time. We were young.
That reminds me, it's not a birthday thing, but for New Year's in Peru, so there's different little things that you kind of do at the strike of midnight that would kind of, I guess, determine the rest of a year. So if your goal was to travel that New Year, right, then there is a tradition that you have to get your luggage bag, like an empty luggage bag, and your passport, and you put your passport in your pocket, and you take your luggage bag, and you run around the block, like a couple of times. You just run around the block with your empty luggage bag and your passport. And so at strike of midnight in Peru, you just see like hundreds and hundreds of people just like running around the block with their empty bag. But what was really funny is that my parents and I, we've actually done it in New Zealand. So at the strike of midnight, when we were younger, we would run around the block with our empty luggage bag and passports. And the funny thing is that every single time we ran around the block with our passports and luggage bag, we always travelled that year.
Oh, really?
So if you guys want to give it a go, let me know if it works. But it's worked every single time.
I might try that. But no, you know what? It is a very, very, very special week. I hear that there's so many birthdays.
See, Rosaria, so my good friend Rosaria, she says, I remember doing that with your parents. So she actually ran around the block with us. And the luggage bag.
I might try that.
And the passport.
Try that this week. I might run around with my passport and my luggage and take off.
And I want to say thank you so much, Amelia, for wishing me a happy birthday as well. It's just, honestly, I'm starting to look at birthdays differently. It's just, it's a time for remembrance, and it's a time for gratitude, and just also taking that time to thank all these people that love you and care for you and take the time out of the day to wish you happy birthday.
But I think that's just it. I think we lose. I think because everyone, our birthdays is all about cakes and and I'm the annoying one. I do this big massive spiel, and I think Steve as well knows, and Becca know that I'm the type of person that even though I'm like low-key don't want to celebrate my birthday, I low-key actually want to celebrate my birthday.
We're talking about that low-key don't want to celebrate her birthday. Ciola actually said, my birthday's a day after Pea's, and guess who always makes it about themselves and steals her glory? Yes, girl, me, lol, thank you. My Ciola family.
Look, Ciola, please don't expose me. I have to admit, but on my 30th birthday party, I tell you, this was about me, and it was a milestone birthday party. Guess who made it about themselves at 12 o'clock? It was Ciola. So, but it is.
That is taking the bull by the horns, though. Yeah, so Ciola, respect that.
Ciola's birthday is after mine. So yes, Bea still does. I think I celebrate about a week. I think for me it's important to celebrate the week. Heading towards your birthday, because when you are carrying, when a mum is carrying, it's that whole like.
I never thought about it that way.
Do you know how important your life is?
So I think I'm gonna, for the next 365 days, I'm just gonna celebrate my up and coming 30th birthday.
Why not? Because it's so important, and I think our parents shared like so. They, back in Samoa, birthdays aren't important, and some people don't actually see birthdays as being important. Yeah. This is the day that our Lord said, this is it, and this is the day that you have arrived, and then I can remember like the joy on your parents' face. It doesn't matter what, because I know some people have come into this world and hasn't been, the lead up hasn't been great. But just know that when you are born, that you are born for a reason, and that there's a purpose for you, and that you are here to be that light for someone's life. And God has a purpose for you. That's why birthdays are so important. I love birthdays.
You weren't a mistake. You were supposed to be
You're
here.
supposed to be here. You are important.
Honestly, I am so thankful for you, for Ryan. Then I almost said producer Rams. No, they get why I'm laughing. But honestly, thank you so much to the whole entire Bluwave team. I just feel so loved right now, and like the richest person in the whole entire world. And I think we wrap up the show because I am so eager to get into this cake, cut this cake, eat it up. It looks so good, smells so good. But honestly, thank you to each and every one of you, not just for today and for wishing me happy birthday, but for always supporting myself and Pea throughout our journey this year. And it's been an amazing journey, and you guys have never left our sides. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah. Well, you can't thank you. Never get tired of saying thank you. Never.
No. Yeah. And thank you so much for my birthday present.
Oh, I'm so glad
I really
you love
like it. I really like it.
Yeah.
I really like it. And like they said, like I do love gold.
She
but
does.
I really
she
like
does.
this.
She does.
And, you know what? It just means a lot to me that they even remember that. You know, it's the small things that count. Guys.
I knew that. I looked at it. I was like, well, it's the gold. I thought,
I love it so much.
I know she loves gold, but she's just gonna have to get a downgrade today.
No, it's an upgrade. I love this so much.
It's with so much love that I've given her. It was a token of. It's representing how much I care about this girl. But guys, once again, whawhetai lava, Pacific, 40 whalute, the beautiful whalute, talofa voucher, a whape mga o mea se mea lofa. She also does talofa vouchers for birthdays. So you can do that, send a luxury birthday over to Samoa, to your ainga in Samoa, with Pacific 40 talofa voucher. Yeah. And of course, Pacific Easy Money Transfer, the safest and the secure way to send your kupe over to Samoa. Don't worry about all of this stuff. Send the money over to Samoa for your whalavlaves, for your Christmas, for your birthdays, for whatever celebration it is. Send it with Pacific Easy Money Transfer. You've got Oceania Academy. If you are looking to skill next year, do it with the awesome team at Oceania. We've got Maoto Samoa service station in Samoa, and of course, if you're looking for a calendar, the perfect way to support.
Everyone needs a calendar, though.
Everyone needs a calendar, because you know why? Because you're going to be marking what day you are celebrating your special day next year, your milestone, so that you don't forget, like me today. Don't forget the special moments. Mark it on the calendar. And guess what?
And with the calendar, then you'll also know that there aren't 365 Mondays in the year. So
365 days. I didn't think that one through. I hope no one goes and cuts this one up.
No.
Because, but guys, and also the generator.
Yeah.
If you've got an amazing idea, like a birthday celebration idea, and generate that idea.
Also wanted to say thank you to Ray, who just wished me happy birthday. And Ray was actually the very first person to wish me happy birthday today, like at midnight today.
Oh.
Which is really sweet. So thank you.
I don't know what's going on, guys.
They said thank you so much, everyone.
I'm kidding. But once again, thank you so much to everyone. Yeah. They wish Claudia a happy birthday. Don't forget to celebrate life every day, because it's important.
Yes.
Tell them that you love them. Give them a hug. Give them
you.
A call.
And I love you, honestly.
I love you, and I love
this
you.
girl so much. But honestly, thank you again to everyone. And we'll see you again tomorrow. But for now, I'm going to go eat this cake.
So far, so
not by myself.
God bless.
Tau tua mara au nanga mo tau sa mo service station nei tona mai. Ma tau teu tuina lo ta vale, ma le tele unisio ma tau au nanga ese. Mata foi le. Ma tau te sea ke ina fo i lau tāwani. Ma tau te sea pala ia fo i suau. Mo lau tāwani. A fai foi o vai pa o sa. A wala te poli, ma tu te sapala ia foi e a moro ta vale. Moro no posila fia. Mua ta pela ta vale pe out. Lua ta pela o telefoni i tai me utu ina ila ta vale. Ma le vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo. E matu ai fa sa ina, lo ta mafta pa ai no fuanga pa pe. Samoa. Ore mota mo Samoa. Mado te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa. Maftaila fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Kirisimasi mawhailonga tupita i lua se lautala e whase fulu o Sauni e le Pacific Easy moa na paanga. E lua se fulu whailonga mo Samoa, lua se fulu fo i whailonga tupita i lua se lautala mo New Zealand nei. Whamole mole whaonga le tali fufonga au mai lau pasi e ilo ai wa mai au na whai utui. Mai fautui na fo i le whaonga o le F-Pass e tutongi ei tupe whaamomoli pe a whaonga ina o tātou ofisa i o Tara o Tahuru ma mangele. Whaaftek tele Samoa le langlango i le nei tausanga ma ia madu i tele le Kirisimasi ma le tausanga fo i ainga umo Samoa. Modisi whaamtalanga wala au le ovalu se lau o tasi ono. Po le lua fitu ono, fitu wiva, fitu wha. Pacific Easy o lau paanga mo tupe whaamomoli i Samoa.
BluTable voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūlanga pitusili o le tāu. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le e whaatau i o loa e au ngā mole ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa sunga fua tau e lesi aso sa.
Le fia po i sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana whaakau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pa voucher ua maua le apasusi o sewa fine. So se paro loa whaingo fie. A mai se le te wherua i malau telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo le lafo merkes o na inu e nor tamao re ainga.
Whaptea tu lava le talo pa voucher mo le foi au nang fo whaptai. Ma lua lava le tampai.
Whaptai talo pa voucher. Teki talo pa voucher.
O le Oceania Career Academy, o sea o ngai mangele ua whaatui nei le pūlenga le fono mo tangata Pasifika ma Maori. O sea o ngai mauai le tomai whakamuta, whaapea isi anga wa eseste. E talia so se tangata mai le se furu ono i le wha se furu tausanga. Ma ea o nga fua li ima tamai tai wano fo maupesi te seni New Zealand. Whaafso tai nei loa le OCA i le overu se lau, ono lua lua, valu fitasi. Pea siasi le website www.oca.nz.
For the next generation of growers and farmers in the Pacific, may you find your own rhythm on the land. May you grow and teach others how to grow with love. May your skills and intuition continue to nourish, nurture, and advise those who need it.